Make money online selling digital products for affiliate marketing. Use AI to make faceless YouTube videos, online courses, blog posts, and ebooks in minutes. Use automated marketing to make $18,000 per month in passive income.
Welcome to your first step towards financial freedom. Like many people, I used to struggle with my finances. I was just scraping by, barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. Within the same week, my car broke down, my landlord raised my rent, and I got fired from my job. I was about to throw in the towel and move back in with my parents, till everything changed when I met a Buddhist monk. It was June 21st, 1991. On a whim, I attended a free meditation seminar at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. There, this aged monk said, "Spiritual liberation requires financial freedom." He said, in the East, this was done by giving up all of your money and becoming a monk. In the West, it should be achieved by making so much money that you are free of any worry and complication. Within 10 days, I had created my first passive revenue stream, making $3,000 a week. And from there, 6 months later, I was making over $100,000 a week to what I have for you today. And this is my method for creating passive revenue streams in just a few hours. Achieving this without a big investment, without risky schemes, I am sharing a simple method for creating turnkey passive income. And I'm bringing this to you because I want you to have financial freedom. My name is Ajahn Sambara, and I'm a Buddhist teacher. And don't worry, you didn't accidentally click the wrong video. I ran a multi-million-dollar company for 24 years, showing thousands of people how to make passive incomes by doing what I'm going to share with you today. This is all from my book that gives you a step-by-step action plan for success. So subscribe now and click on my course link in the description. I will give you a free copy of my book.
Subscribe now and check out an example of a video used in an online course that makes $18,000 per month in passive income. This video demonstrates high-quality, high-value content that effectively teaches people how to make money. And using AI, this video was created in just a few minutes. Now ebooks, blogs, and your own faceless YouTube channel and online courses are within your grasp. Here's the video. Today, you'll learn a lucrative YouTube affiliate marketing strategy known as unboxing videos. I'll start by explaining what unboxing videos are and their effectiveness in generating revenue. Let's first understand the essence of unboxing videos in affiliate marketing. Unboxing videos have emerged as a dynamic and effective affiliate marketing strategy on YouTube, engaging audiences with the anticipation and excitement of new product discoveries. Creators like Estella from Study to Success utilize this format to showcase and explore tech products, providing viewers with a first-hand look at the unboxing experience. What makes these videos particularly compelling for affiliate marketing is the integration of affiliate links in the video descriptions, which facilitates easy purchasing for viewers and drives product sales. The appeal of unboxing videos is not just in the content but also in their significant search popularity, evidenced by over 90,000 monthly searches on YouTube. This high search volume reflects a strong and sustained viewer interest in this content type, offering creators a substantial platform to reach a wide audience. By leveraging this format, affiliate marketers can effectively showcase products, capture viewer interest, and enhance product visibility. The combination of engaging content and strategic marketing through affiliate links positions unboxing videos as a lucrative and reliable avenue for generating revenue on YouTube. Let's look at an example. Case study. Alex, a tech YouTuber unboxing and reviewing the latest smartphone. Audience: 300,000 subscribers with a keen interest in tech gadgets. Affiliate partner: an online tech retailer. Commission rate: 5% on each sale made through affiliate links. Video performance: total views: 200,000 in the first month. Click-through rate: center, 2%, typical for engaging content. Conversion rate: 1.5%, average for tech products. Product and commission: smartphone price: $1,000. Commission per sale: $50. Alex earns a total of $3,000 from affiliate sales of the smartphone featured in the unboxing video. Key takeaways: engaging content. The success hinges on Alex's ability to create engaging, informative content that drives viewer interest. Audience relevance. The product's relevance to Alex's tech-savvy audience is crucial for higher center and conversion rates. Continuous earnings. The video can continue to generate earnings as long as it keeps getting views and the product remains available. This example illustrates how effectively unboxing videos can be used in affiliate marketing, with the potential to generate significant revenue through well-placed affiliate links and engaging content that resonates with the target audience.
I hope you enjoyed that video. The information in the video is great. It was informative, it offered a way for making money, and it gave actionable steps. This is what everyone is looking for: a practical guide telling you how to make money. My way for turnkey passive income is this: selling information products to people who are interested in ways of making money, such as someone who would click on this video. Each passive income stream makes me $18,000 per month, and it only takes a few hours to set up. So subscribe now and click the course link in the description below, and then you can learn about the courses. It's really a workshop, and it's free, and I'll also send you my ebook.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.